Winning the war on feline urination misfires.
Hello, cat parents. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many of you might be dealing with: your cat peeing outside of its litter box. It's frustrating, isn't it? But don't worry, we're here to help. We'll go over some effective ways to stop your cat from doing this. By the end of this video, you should have a game plan to help your cat get back on track. Let's dive right in.
Why is my cat peeing outside its litter box?
Understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. Cats may pee outside their litter box for various reasons, including medical issues, stress, or dislike of the litter box itself. Always consult your vet first to rule out any potential health problems.
How can I make the litter box more appealing?
Once you've ruled out medical issues, it's time to inspect the litter box. Some ways to make it more appealing are cleanliness. Cats are very clean creatures. Ensure the litter box is scooped daily and thoroughly cleaned every week. Location and privacy. Cats like quiet, private spots. If the litter box is in a noisy, high-traffic area, consider moving it. Box type and litter preference. Try different types of boxes and litters. Some cats prefer certain types over others.
How can I reduce stress for my cat?
Stress can cause cats to urinate outside their litter box. Here are some tips to reduce stress. Maintain a routine. Cats are creatures of habit. Sudden changes can stress them out. Provide sufficient resources. If you have multiple cats, ensure each has its own litter box and food bowls to avoid conflict. Enrichment activities. Play with your cat regularly and provide toys to keep them mentally stimulated.
What if the problem persists?
If your cat is still urinating outside the box, it's time to revisit your vet. They can recommend a behaviorist or explore other potential medical issues. You might also try using cat pheromone sprays or diffusers, which can help ease stress and promote positive behaviors. Thanks for sticking with us through this journey of understanding and addressing why your cat may be peeing outside their litter box. Remember, patience is key. It may take some time for your cat to adjust, but with persistence and care, you'll likely see improvements. We hope this video has been helpful and we wish you and your cat all the best.